Hello friends, welcome back. I am Suel Khan, Cisco certified trainer. I teach CCNA, CCNP and Python programming with 200% expertization guarantee online worldwide with free demo lecture. Okay. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to configure the IPv6 as per new CCNA 200.301 because it is there in the syllabus of new CCNA. See, this is the authentic syllabus of Cisco. In the network fundamentals, we have a topic called configure and verify IPv6 addressing and prefix. So that is why I am making this video to make you guys understand how to configure the IPv6 and all, and how you feel about my videos. Please comment in a comment section, and how to watch my channel. My channel name is Cisco Expert. Just go to YouTube and type the name Cisco Expert. This will take you to my channel. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Here on my channel, you will get every video of CCNA, CCNP and Python programming. So let's start the video without wasting the time. Okay. So this is the topology of our IPv6. I have already made it because this is a very simple topology. You can also connect this PC and router with each other. I am going to show you the configuration, which is very much important for you from the exam point of view and from the new CCNA point of view. All right. Now, so let's start the configuration. Just go to PC. This is the IP address I have mentioned on which device, which IP address to configure. All right. Which device, which IP address to configure. So let's go to first computer configuration, and here in the IPv6 section we'll go and we'll type a 2001. Okay. We'll give IPv6 address called 2001 colon DB8 colon ACAD colon 1 colon and 10. The subnet mask is /64. I'm going very slowly. I'm going step by step so that everyone can understand. Okay. And under the default gateway, we will give the FE80, which is the link local address colon 1. This will going be a default gateway for this computer. All right. In the same way, I will go to another PC of another network and I will configure the IP address as per the diagram. So 2001 colon DB8 colon ACAD colon 3. The network address is 3. Is the network address. My theory part, I have explained everything. Okay. In a full course where I'm teaching. /64. Default gateway will be FE80 colon 2. All right. Now, so this is configured. Now, next is we have to configure the router. I will go to the router and I will configure each and everything which I have mentioned in the diagram. So first of all, I have to go in global configuration mode and I have to give host name as R1. All right. So this router name is R1. And one more thing, because by default your router is working on IPv4. So if you want to configure the IPv6, so you have to enable the IPv6. And to enable the IPv6, we have a command called IPv6 unicast routing. This is the command you have to give first while configuring the IPv6. Because without this command, you cannot able to configure the IPv6 on your router. Okay. Now, after enabling the IPv6, we will go to the port, this port and this port, and configure the IP address. So let's start with this port. So I'll go to interface gigabit 0/1 IPv6 address FE80. First, I have to mention the link local address FE80 colon 1 link local address. Then I have to mention the global unicast IPv6 address 2001 colon DB8 colon ACAD colon, and what is the network address is 1 and interface is 1. So 1 colon 1 slash 64. All right. And I will give command no shutdown to up the port. Now I will exit from this port and I will go in this port and give IP address and up the port. All right. So exit interface gigabit 0/0 IP, same IP I have to give IPv6 address F80, which is your link local. All right. And then we have to mention the two network, that two network is running, right? Network number 2. Right. And give command no shutdown. So this port is also now. Similarly, we will go to R2 router and we have to configure each and everything as mentioned in the diagram. So let's jump on to R2 router, enable configure terminal. Host name is R2 and we have to enable the IPv6 by command IPv6 unicast routing. After that, we have to go in port and give the IP address as per the diagram. So interface gigabit ethernet 0/1, which is this port, and I have to enable IPv6 address FE80 colon 2, which is the link local address for this network. And I have to mention the global unicast IPv6 address 2001 colon DB8 colon ACAD colon 3. 3 network is running over here. 3 colon 1/64. Right. And I will give command no shutdown. Okay. And then exit. Similarly, I will go to this port and configure the IP address, which is interface gigabit 0/0 IPv6 FE80 to link local, and here the network address is 2 and the IP address is also 2. Okay, so I have configured the give command no shutdown. So now I have configured each and everything, but to communicate end to end, we have to give the routes, right? We have to run the protocols or we have to give the static or default route. So in this scenario, I'm going to show you how to give the default route in IPv6. So for R1 router, this IP address is the next hop. For R2 router, this IP address is the next hop to want to go any network, right? So I will go to R1 router and I will tell R1 router that, hey R1 router, if you want to go to any network, IPv6 route :/0, like if you want to go to any network, the next stop will be this IP address, which is 2001 DB8 ACAD 2 and 2. No need of giving mask because it is just an next stop IP address. Similarly, I will go to R2 router, all right, and tell R2 router that, hey R2 router, IPv6 route :/0, like R2 router. If you want to go to any network, then your next stop will be this, which is 2001 DB8 ACAD 2 1. Sorry, 1. Okay. So this will be the next stop for R2 router. Now let's check the configuration whether it is pinging or not. So I will go to this computer and ping this PC IP address, which is 2001 DB8 ACAD 3 and double colon 10. Yes, it is pinging. So my ping is successful, right? So it is pinging send 4, receive 4, lost 0. It means it is pinging, right? So this is how you have to configure the IPv6 address in your topology as per the new Cisco syllabus of 200.301. This is configure and verify. Now for verify, we have a verifying command. So let me show you the verifying command also. Okay. Show IPv6 route. This is the command to check the routing table, and here is the static route which we have configured. Another command is show IPv6 interface brief. So this will gives you detail about the link local address or the address which you have configured. All right. So this is all about the IPv6 practical and how you feel about my video. Please comment in a comment section and share the video as much as possible if this video is helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. And for online training, you can contact me. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my email address. I give 200% expertization guarantee. It means that if you are not understanding one time, you can repeat unlimited time free of cost till the syllabus is active. Okay. So thanks for watching my channel and thanks for love and support. Thank you.